Hello and welcome to our spoken English learning class. Do you want to speak English confidently? Are you afraid to speak in front of others? Don't worry. In today's video, you will learn easy and useful spoken English sentences that you can use in daily life. No difficult grammar, no long rules, just simple sentences to help you speak English fluently and naturally. So grab a notebook and let's begin with the me to confident English speaking. Greetings and introduction. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Common daily life sentences. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat my breakfast. I go to school by bus. I like to read books. I watch TV in the evening. I sleep at 10 pm. I drink tea every morning. I clean my room every Sunday. Making requests and asking for help. Can you help me please? Could you pass me the book? Please open the window. May I use your fan? Can I sit here? Please wait for me. I need some help. Can you show me the way? Could you explain it again? May I go outside? Talking about time and date. For example, what time is it? Is it 3 o'clock? Today is Monday. What is the date today? Today is 25th June. Tomorrow is holiday. I will come at 5 pm. The meeting is at 2 o'clock. I go to bed at 11 pm. I reached home at 6 in the evening. There are some sentences, for example, at school and college. I study in class 10. Our teacher is very kind. I forgot my homework. Can I go to the library? I got good marks. The exam is next week. I love to learn English. I need a notebook. The bell has rung. Let's go to the class. At the market or shop, there are some sentences you can use. For example, you can ask about something in a market or a shop. How much is this? It is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I want to buy some vegetables. Do you have fresh fruit? I need 1 kilo of sugar. Where is the cashier? Give me a bag, please. I don't have small change. Thank you for your help. At home, you can use some sentences. For example, close the door, turn on the fan, please set the table, the food is ready, I am feeling hungry, let's have lunch, please wash the dishes. Who will cook today? I am doing my homework, don't make a noise. At the doctor's clinic, you can ask or say something as like this. I don't feel well. I have a fever. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. Since when are you feeling sick? I need some medicine. Please take rest. Drink a lot of water. Don't eat junk food. Take this medicine twice a day. Talking on the phone, you can use some sentences as like this. Hello, who is this? I am calling from Lahore. May I speak to Mr. Ahmad? Please call me later. The line is not clear. I will call you back. Sorry, I dialed the wrong number. Can you hear me now? Thank you for your call. Talk to you soon. Expressing feelings. When you express feelings, you can use some sentences as like this. For example, I am happy today. I am very tired. I feel sad. I am excited for the trip. I was scared. I feel proud. That makes me angry. I am very nervous. I am thankful to you. I am surprised. Expressing likes and dislikes. For example, I like pizza. I don't like cold drinks. I love watching movies. I hate waking up early. I enjoy playing cricket. I don't enjoy reading books. I like traveling. I don't like noise. I prefer tea over coffee. I like to spend time with my family. There are some questions you can ask. For example, what's your favorite food? Where do you live? How do you go to school? Why are you late? When will you come? Who is your best friend? Which is your bag? How do you feel now? What do you want to eat? How can I help you? For example, you are giving directions to someone. You can say as like this. Go straight, turn left, turn right, stop here. The shop is near the bank. Cross the road. It is behind the mosque. Take the second left. It's far from here. Walk for 10 minutes. Talking about weather, you can say as like this. It is very hot today. The weather is nice. It is raining. It is too cold. The sun is shining. It's cloudy today. There is a strong wind. It might rain. I love winter. Summer is my favorite season. For example, you are giving opinions to someone. You can say as like this. I think this is a good idea. In my opinion, he is right. I believe this is true. I don't agree with you. That's a great idea. I am not sure. Maybe you are right. I feel the same. Let's think about it. It's hard to say. Congratulations, you have learned so many useful spoken English sentences. Practice them daily and try to speak with your friends and family. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be shy. Keep speaking, keep learning, and you will improve day by day. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Take care and keep speaking English.